Hey guys, greetings from Property Unboxing. Today we are in Sector 107 Noida and we'll be showing you a 3 BHK 3950 square feet apartment in Lotus 300. If we talk about the location, it is on Noida Expressway and the nearest metro station is Sector 76. The metro station is around 2.5 kilometers from the society. CNG station is around 2.5 kilometers from society and it is in Sector 105. Petrol pump is also in Sector 105. Yatharth Hospital in Sector 110 is also around 2.5 kilometers from the society. Sector 104 market is at a walkable distance from the society. This market has Gold Gym, salon like Gitanjali, restaurants like Punjab Grill. You also have banks in the market. Car service facility is also available in this market. Apart from these, you also have dentist, furniture and interior showrooms for brands like Livspace. Pathway School in Sector 100 is just opposite to the society. Lotus 300 is a project of 3C Builder. The society has 300 flats and hence the name Lotus 300. It is spread over 10 acres. It has 3 and 4 BHK apartments and also duplex in varied options. The minimum flat size in this society is 3950 square feet. The project is under construction and registry is not open for this project. Handover of only few flats has been done and few are in progress. The clubhouse is not constructed yet. You have 6 towers in this society. Each tower has around 25 floors and on each floor you have 2 flats. 3 lifts are provided in each tower. The 3950 square foot flat that we are going to show you has 3 bedrooms, a family lounge, study room, living room, store room, 2 servant rooms, 5 bathrooms and 5 balconies. This is the entrance corridor. On the right, you have a separate entrance for the servant room and in front you have the main entrance of the flat. This is the foyer area. On the right, you have the common washroom. The common washroom size is 6 by 5 feet. Premium quality sanitary ware is provided in the bathroom. Just in front of the common bathroom, you have the first bedroom. As you enter this room, you have a closet on the right side and a bathroom on the left side. This room is of size 14 by 11 feet. In Lotus 300, each flat is designed in a way that it is 3-side open and thus ensures proper natural light and ventilation in all the rooms. This is the attached balcony with this room. It is a 5 feet wide balcony. As you can see, the outer structure of all the towers is almost ready. And if you see on the downside, you have the club which is not constructed yet. This bedroom comes with an attached bathroom. This bathroom is around 7 by 9 feet. In all the bathrooms, you get premium sanitary ware. As you leave the foyer area, you have the family lounge on the right side and on the left side, you have the living and the dining room. This is the huge living and dining area. The combined space is around 35 by 15 feet. The false ceiling work is based on owner's choice and is not provided by the builder. Windows provided in 2 walls ensure natural light. From the first window you can see the Central Park and the road connecting Noida Expressway and Dadri. It also has an attached balcony. This one is a long running balcony and is common for the living room and the family lounge area. Next to the living room, you have the family lounge area. The owner had got the wooden flooring done in the family lounge. The wooden flooring enhances the looks of this room. In front of this room, we have the kitchen and the store room. This is the store room of size 4 by 5 feet. Next to it is the kitchen. The kitchen has an L-shaped slab. The kitchen size is around 12 by 10 feet. You get space for big appliances in the kitchen. The owner has got the modular work done in the kitchen. You have a utility balcony attached with the kitchen. So this was the kitchen. This is the separate entrance for the servant rooms. This is the first servant room. This one is the second servant room. And then you have the servant bathroom. The size of the servant rooms is 9 by 6 feet. Coming back to the center of the house, this one was the storeroom. This is the first bedroom. Then this is the living room. This is the family lounge. Then on the right side is the second bedroom, third bedroom and the study. And this is the kitchen and the servant rooms that we had just showed you. So now let's see the second bedroom. A window is there in one of the walls. The size of this bedroom is around 20 by 14 feet. This bedroom also has a dressing area. This is the attached bathroom with the second bedroom. Anti-skid tiles are provided in the bathroom. This is the balcony with this bedroom. Let's see the third bedroom now. This room also has a dressing area in front. The size of this bedroom is 15 by 12 feet. This is the attached bathroom. The size of this bathroom is also around 8 by 8 feet. You get wall hung WC, floor to ceiling tiles, wash basin sits on granite plinth and anti-skid tiles. Premium sanitary ware is used in all the bathrooms. This one also has an attached balcony. So that society that you see is the ATS One Hamlet, and that is the Lotus Panache which we already covered in our previous video. In between is the Maharshi Ashram land. Coming to the final room of this humongous 3 BHK flat, this one doesn't have a balcony but a window ensures natural light in the study room. The size of this room is around 12 by 9 feet. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video then please do subscribe to our channel and press the like button.